something interesting? See that? It's mucus. It's mucus. That's what I spit up today for my lungs. Not really sure why it's all green like that. That's pretty bad. Green mucus. So I spit up today. Got a lung infection or something. Anyway, if you like, please subscribe. Leave a like. I'd actually leave a dislike. And thanks for watching. You don't have to view it very much. You know, I'm not worried about what's going on out there anymore because I just realize I'm a failure and it's not my fault. Other people made me into a failure. And getting greater. But oh well. What can I say? Hey, another day. Back my pants don't seem like they're lining up right with me. There we go. Anyway, thanks for watching, and y'all have a wonderful day. Do what you do. Have power. I can't wait till I'm dead. Anyway, peace.